We continue Unit 5, Absolute Values. Let's graph the following without a calculator. Remember, the original parent function started here, so whatever I do is going to change this point. Let's talk about what we do know. This is vertical movement up 2. I know this is moving right 5 units. And what I'm about to tell you is really nice. This 2 and 1/3 is the same thing as 2/3. So what I have is actually 2/3 times the absolute value of x minus 5 plus 2. So this is moving up 2, right 5. I have a slope of 2/3. So let's move our starting point. It moves right 5 up 2. This is my new beginning point. The slope is 2 over 3. So up 2 over 3. Up 2 over 3 in both directions. And we have graphed the new absolute value equation. Now let's find the domain and range. The domain of the new graph, or the translated graph, will have the same characteristics as the parent function. Since the parent function domain is all real numbers, so is the domain of this new function. To find the range, we look at the y value of the starting point of the new graph. Since the y value is 2, the range will be y is greater than or equal to 2. I know it's greater than because all the values are greater than 2. This value here is 3. This value here is 4. This value here will be 5. There are no values down below this point of 2. Let's look at the second equation. The -2 is out front, so it's vertical movement. It reflects across the x-axis. It's a vertical stretch by 2. And the other vertical movement is up 1. Let's look at the horizontal movement. There is none. Let's draw a graph. The original parent function started at 0, 0, but this graph is moving up 1 unit. The slope of this graph is 2 over 1. It's reflecting across the x-axis. That means it will be going down. So down 2 over 1. And we continue until we get to the end of the graph. The domain of this parent function will have the same characteristics as the original, and the domain of the original parent function was all real numbers. We look at the new starting point for the range. This is a graph that's going down. So the range will be less than or equal to the y value at this point, which is 1. And this is how we graph absolute value without a calculator.